Hello my beautiful audience, welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make your PC 3x faster. So just do follow my step. First of all, click on your Windows and the R key in the same time. Then we can see a drop down menu like this one. Now type here prefetch, PREFETCH. Now click on the enter button. That's it. Now we can see a local directory here. That's all our junk file. So we need to delete that. Now click on of the file and select all. Now click on the right button and delete all of them. That's it. So you can see that all of my file that showing that the action can't be completed because the file open in system main file. So we're gonna skip that. That's it. Now go to step 2. Do sham, click Windows and R key in same time. Now type here temp. Click on the enter button. Yep, you can see that you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Is because I'm using antivirus protection. So I'm gonna click on the continue option. Now you can see that here is also some junk file. Now do sham. Click on of them and select all. Now delete all. Yep, the second step done. So guys, I'm gonna show you now third step. Now do sham. Press Windows and R key at the same time. And you can see a drop down menu like this one. Now type here percentage and temp and again percentage. Now hit on the OK button. Now you can see that it's open a new local directory. Here also so many junk folders, so we need to delete all of them. Scroll down and click on of them and select all. And we know how to delete. Now delete those file and it's deleting. You can see that here is huge junk folder. You can see issue that the action can't be completed is because some file used on the main system. So we're gonna skip those. So guys, finally I'm gonna show you the step 4. That is the final step, how to rank, how to optimize your PC performance. So still, if you're not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. So do sham, click Windows and R key and now type here clean MRG, CLEANMGR. Now hit on the OK button. Yep, we're gonna optimize our C drive. Now click OK and click all of the check mark. I'm gonna click all of them and click on the clean up system files. Click OK. That's it. You can see that my disk cleaning up. So guys, thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button. I hope this video is gonna be make 3x faster your PC performance. So goodbye for today.